perspective with us. Let's turn our attention to what's been happening here on the domestic front. Very shortly after the polls in the state of West Bengal have concluded and the Bharatiya Janata Party has registered a historic victory, the newly sworn in Bengal Chief Minister Mr. Suvendu Adhikari has now decided to suspend 3 IPS officers in connection with the RG Kaur rape and murder case, including former Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal. The other suspended officers are Indira Mukherjee and Abhishek Gupta, who had been serving as DCP Central and DCP North respectively at the time of the incident. The Chief Minister claimed, and he also made an address to the West Bengal Legislative Assembly, that there were lapses in the initial investigation, and he also alleged that 2 officers had attempted to bribe the victims' parents as well. There's a startling claim that he's made. He also announced that the RG Kaur case files will be reopened and a stricter probe will now be carried into the role of the police in the entire matter as well. Remember that the police officials, including at the lower rung, had been criticized at multiple levels for the initial lapses into the probe following that horrific development. Let's in fact go across to what my colleague Hridita has been monitoring in the state of West Bengal. She's reporting from Kolkata as we speak, and she's of course also been closely monitoring what Suvendu Adhikari said in the Legislative Assembly. Hridita, a very important development, the suspension of 3 very senior police officials in the state of West Bengal and the reopening, as Mr. Adhikari claims, of the RG Kaur files and investigation into what he might allege is a possible cover-up angle as well in the entire matter. Tell us about what he said and how he plans to follow through what he's claimed.
Well, absolutely. As you remember that while BJP was trying to make their government out here, the promises that they have made were about women's safety and security, and the RG Kaur incident was a highlight of that manifesto. And we have also seen how this entire incident had shook the world. Not only Kolkata, but the entire world was aware of this. And in the case only, we are now seeing that the case file is going to be reinvestigated. The files for the RG Kaur rape and murder case is reopening again. As per the Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari, who held a press conference today at the State Secretariat of Nabanno, he has said that he is suspending 3 IPS ranked officers, the then Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal. After that, he is suspending Indira Mukherjee, who was DC Central, and the DC North, Abhishek Gupta. Now remember, a lot of criticism had come against these 3 police officers. Indira Mukherjee, she was the first one who had held the press conference just after what happened in RG Kaur, and there was the blame, the allegations, there was Trinamool Congress and the Shondeep Ghosh's involvement into this entire case. Remember, Vineet Goyal, he was the one who was suspected by the junior doctors, who were also alleged by the junior doctors for being a safeguard to the then ruling party, and he had also had to resign from his position at that very time. Given to that retrospect, we also understand that Suvendu Adhikari has also told about re-investigation in this matter, and not only not to only investigate police's role, but also to investigate every minister's role who was the ruling party, involved with the then ruling party. He has said no members of that party should be left spared, no minister should be left spared. Everybody's role needs to be investigated.
Hridita, let's also listen in to what Mr. Adhikari, the Chief Minister of the state of West Bengal, said at that press conference that you referred to a short while ago.
কোনো মন্ত্রী মুখ্যমন্ত্রীদের টাইমে তাদের কোনো ইনস্ট্রাকশন ছিল কিনা এগুলো আমরা সব বের করব, কারণ ওদের যে অফিসিয়াল এবং পার্সোনাল সেটা আপনার ইনভেস্টিগেশনের পার্ট। কিন্তু আমরা ওই মিসহ্যান্ডেলিং আর পরিবারকে বেআইনিভাবে অর্থ অফার করা আর একজন ডিসি তার প্রেস কনফারেন্সের অ্যাটিটিউড এবং ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ইন ফ্রন্ট অফ মিডিয়া, এটা আমাদের রাজ্যের ক্ষেত্রে খুব একটা সুখকর ছিল না। এই সব কিছু দেখে, কারণ ইটস এ ডিসিপ্লিন ডিপার্টমেন্ট, উনি স্পোক্সপারসন অফ দি কলকাতা পুলিশ ছিলেন না অফিসিয়ালি, আমরা এখান থেকে তথ্য নিয়েছি।
So that was the West Bengal Chief Minister, Mr. Suvendu Adhikari, talking about action to be taken with respect to reopening the RG Kar